Search and rescue crews have been hit with aftershocks today. That's as they go through debris in southwestern Haiti. A 7.2 magnitude earthquake hit the country over the weekend. This evening, we've confirmed at least 2,100 people are dead. Hospitals across the region are running low on supplies. Foreign aid has started to come in. You're seeing a bit of that right now. The Haitian Association of Indiana is currently working with other local groups to send resources.
Because it's one thing to get the supplies, it's another thing to transport them back to Haiti and make sure that they get to the right places, to the people that are in need. So a lot of that is what we're doing now in our planning as part of the organization.
The Haitian Association says they plan to announce ways for other Hoosiers to help soon, and we'll of course update you on that both here on air and online. There's another local organization, Joy for Haiti, and it's planning to leave next Tuesday to assist the Caribbean nation. The organization takes care of children who have often aged out of orphanages. Next week, they'll be partnering for a food sharing program and bringing any supplies they can.
Anytime a disaster strikes Haiti, it affects the whole country. So even though the earthquake was in the southern part, everyone in the country suffers.
The Fishers-based organization will be in Haiti for 2 weeks and then take another trip in October.